Welcome to the National Weather Service Hazardous Winter Weather Briefing for Wednesday, January 10th, 2018. What has changed since our last weather briefing? We've upgraded to winter storm warning over portions of western and northern Iowa and added a winter weather advisory further south and east that includes the Waterloo, Ames, Des Moines, and further south towards Osceola and Lamoni areas. So in the main points, blowing and drifting, snow expected to develop late tonight throughout the day Thursday. Expect reduced visibilities to impact travel at times. And then we have rain changing to snow with a rapid temperature drop during the morning commute. This will really significantly impact the central Iowa, especially like the Ames, Des Moines, further east towards Waterloo and Marshalltown. So potential there for a quick refreeze or flash freeze on roads, bridges, and sidewalks, resulting in some very tricky travel. So take your time in the morning. Prolonged cold and periods of blustery wind Thursday and into the middle of next week. So we got a pretty sub-zero wind chills expected through much of that time frame. Some of the greatest impacts, again, are going to be the blowing and drifting of snow across western and north central Iowa, and then the rain changing to snow during the morning commute, and that quick refreeze or flash freeze during the morning rush hour could cause some pretty hazardous travel at times. And then again, the bitter cold wind chills Thursday through the middle of next week. So here's our 6-hour forecast from midnight tonight through 6 a.m. tomorrow. So generally the snow develops across western and northern Iowa, about an inch, maybe 2 inches across far western Iowa near Denison and Carroll. And then that snow band really gets going during the 6 a.m. to noon time frame. So from Atlantic, Carroll, all the way up to Mason City, Algona could see a 3 to 4 inch band set up. And this is when our winds are really going to get going and cause your reduced visibilities and blowing and drifting. Further south and east, when it changes over to snow, you will have some pretty significant visibility restrictions. You know, there's going to be a sharp gradient of the heavier snow band, but certainly Des Moines, Polk County could see a 1 to 2 inch snowfall amount by the time it's done. So Thursday afternoon, snow will taper off, but there will be some blowing snow continuing with the gusty winds. So here's our hourly temperature forecast for tonight into tomorrow. You can see the quick drop in temperatures during the morning hours, especially during the rush hour across the Ames, Marshalltown, Des Moines area. So potential there for a quick refreeze and causing some significant travel issues. In your wind gusts, about the same time, you got wind gusts getting going anywhere between 30 and 40 miles per hour during much of the day Thursday. So that'll cause some issues of blowing and drifting. So snowfall totals, again, from tonight through tomorrow, a heavy snow band setting up anywhere between 4 and 6 inches from Carroll, Atlantic, all the way up to Mason City and Algona. And then further south and east, just a little bit lighter amounts, but certainly will cause some travel concerns. Wind chills by Friday morning, getting down to the sub-zero, anywhere from the 10 to 30 below zero Friday morning. And this will be pretty common over the weekend into early next week, so be prepared for the cold too. So in summary, dangerous travel late tonight and into much of the day Thursday, especially during the morning commute. We're potentially looking for a flash freeze across the Des Moines metro area, even Ames and Waterloo again. So that caused some significant travel. Prolonged period of bitter cold temperatures and wind chills Thursday through next Wednesday. Our next briefing will be as needed. If you have any questions, you can always contact us on Facebook or Twitter or via phone or email. Thank you for your time and be safe.